In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page on Wix. Whether you're prepping for a site overhaul or simply need a consistent layout across multiple pages, duplicating a page can save you a significant amount of time by allowing you to maintain your existing design efficiencies without starting from scratch. To get started, the first step is to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll want to access the editor for the specific site where you'd like to duplicate the page. This means selecting that particular website from your dashboard list and then entering the editor mode. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's Wix's powerful tool that lets you personalize, create, and manage every element of your website. Next up, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the editor. Here you'll see the sidebar, which is essentially the control center for your site's structure and organization. Look for the Pages and Menu icon. This icon resembles a stack of rectangles and symbolizes the different pages that make up your website. Clicking on this icon will open a panel giving you a comprehensive list of all your site's current pages. Each listed page represents an individual section or content area of your website that visitors can navigate to. Find the specific page you're looking to duplicate from this list. It's best to approach this step with a clear idea of which page layout or content you need replicated to avoid any confusion later on. Once you see the desired page, hover your cursor over its name. As you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appearing next to the page name. This is known as the More Actions menu. Click on this three-dot icon to unveil several options related to managing this particular page. Among these options, you'll find one titled Duplicate. Selecting this option will prompt Wix to immediately create a copy of your selected page, including all the design elements, texts, and media it contains. This copied page will be added directly below the original in the list of pages. It's typically named after your original page with the addition of copy, a useful naming convention that helps you easily identify the duplicated version. And there you have it. In just a few quick and easy steps, you've successfully duplicated a page on Wix. This process is highly efficient, particularly if you're working on expanding your website while maintaining design consistency throughout. Duplicating pages can significantly streamline your workflow, leaving you more time to focus on polishing content and perfecting other essential elements of your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.